In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Adobe Sign template. If you've created a reusable template in Adobe Acrobat Sign and want teammates to use it, all it takes is a quick permissions update. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by signing in to Adobe Acrobat Sign. From the top navigation, open the Manage page. This is your hub for everything you've sent or stored, and it includes your templates or library section. Head there to see all the templates available to you. Next, locate the specific template you want to share. You can scroll or use search to find it quickly, and it helps to confirm the name and last modified date so you're working with the right file. Click the template to open its details, then choose Edit or Template Properties. Depending on your interface, either option takes you to the same place where sharing settings can be adjusted without changing the content of the template itself. Now, find the setting labeled Who Can Use This Template? You'll see three choices. Only Me keeps the template private to your account. My Group makes it available to everyone who's in your Adobe Sign group, which is ideal when a team shares the same agreements. My Organization shares the template across your entire Adobe Sign account so anyone in your company can use it. If you're unsure which to pick, choose the smallest audience that meets your need. Group for team-specific documents, and Organization for company standards like NDAs or onboarding forms. When you're ready, click Save. Your changes apply immediately. The template will appear in the shared template library for the users you selected, and they can choose it the next time they send a document for signature. If someone doesn't see it right away, a quick refresh of the Manage page usually brings it up. A few important notes as you share. Templates can be shared only with users who are part of the same Adobe Sign account. You can share with your group or with the entire organization, but not with an unrelated group outside your account. And while others can use the template to send agreements, they can't edit or delete the template unless they're an admin or its owner. If edits are needed, have the owner update the template and save again. That's it. Your template is now shared and ready to streamline your signing process.